beautiful life. 난 너의 곁에 있을게. It's beautiful life. 너의 뒤에 서 있을게. Beautiful life. 하늘 아래 너와 있다면 숨 쉬는 것만으로도 좋아. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. 너의 기억에서 내가 살 텐데. Beautiful life, beautiful day. 내 곁에서 머물러줘. Beautiful my love, beautiful your heart. It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. 언제나 널 지켜줄게. It's beautiful life. 내게 기댈 수가 있게. Beautiful life. 너의 눈물, 너의 미소도 곁에서 함께 할 수 있도록.
So I thought this was really awesome how they're finally going back to the World War II era for Call of Duty. I think the last time we even got near that was World at War. And that was a long time ago. So we've had all these futuristic Call of Duties over the past few years. So really excited for this campaign as well. So anyways, thank you Activision for giving me a copy of this game to play. And I'm also going to give away 2 copies of this game. One for PS4, one for Xbox One. If you want a chance to win, just either like the video or leave a comment of, I guess, either when you found my channel or your favorite Call of Duty game. I started my channel on Modern Warfare 2. That was one of the first, that was actually the very first video I ever uploaded was of that game. And we've come a long way. So thank you for just supporting me over the years, or if this is the first time seeing any of my stuff, thank you for ever even clicking on any of my stuff in the first place. So
It's beautiful life.